What the hell? Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today, we are finishing the Polaris and we are taking it in the mud, guys. I know y'all are ready to see it. I am also ready to see it because I would say I've had it long, but I've had it like a week and a half now. We ain't had it long at all. But in order to get this ready, first of all, we had to put all the plastics on. We finally got the new carburetor. We're gonna go ahead and put the carb on, get the gas tank on, put it all back together because this thing was completely apart when we got it. So it's gonna be a lot of work to try to piece this together because honestly, I don't know how half this goes because I didn't take it apart. So instead of sitting here and letting y'all watch me put it together because that is boring, we're gonna get you to it. We'll probably do a little montage. We'll see y'all when we have it together. And voila, people, we got it together. It was kind of hard since I didn't take it apart. There's a lot of little screws and a lot of little this. Sadly, I don't have these side plastics, so it does look a little off, but guys, come on, she is ready to go. All I gotta do now is make sure that the carb is, that the vents are ran, so that way we can go a little bit of mud. And I think we can do it, guys. I mean, we're gonna do it, screw it, I don't care. I mean, what's I do? I sink it, I can just go ahead and fix it again. Anyways, guys, that's about all we're gonna do today. It is raining this butt off. We're gonna take it out today, but because it's raining, I don't know about that. The GoPro don't do good when it gets wet. Anyways, guys, I will catch you in a second when it stops raining and we take it out.
One eternity later.
Well, guys, we are back. Finally, it's time to take this thing through the mud. So, I don't think it's really ready for the mud, but at the same time, I don't care. We got to go play in the mud. It's been so long, guys. So, are the mud bitches gonna do good? Probably not. I don't see them. They're very heavy. The Fourwheeler seems lacking on power. I think the brakes are dragging a little bit. But who cares? We got to take it out. We got to play in the mud. It's been about 2 weeks since we started this video, and we got to play, guys. Everybody been begging for the mud. We were going to do it last week, and then I just didn't get time to get the battery. We got the battery. It runs. It drives. I haven't really drove it at all, to be honest. But anyways, let's slap on a GoPro and test out the mud bitches. Okay, guys, let's get going. A little cold. I probably should have warmed up. Hey, it's leaking gas. I just put a new carb on you. Whatever. Let's hope it don't catch on fire. So we already found a problem. It is leaking gas. I don't know what's going on, but the front end feels horrible. We did pick the corn this week, so that's good. We got a place to drive again. I might be wrong, but I'm almost 100% sure that the brakes are dragging. Because whenever I let go of the throttle, it like stops all at once. See, we're going. Holy crap, you can even hear it. Well, it's leaking gas, the brakes are locked up. We're gonna go play in some mud, I don't care. You can tell we ain't been through here in a while, but man, is it beautiful. Oh crap, not spiders. Anything but spiders.
I'll damn you good, you filthy bug!
Why won't you love me, Dad? I'll be anything you want me to be.
I want you to be dead!
Fudging spiders, man. I'm not scared of spiders, but I don't want them all over my face either. Come on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, every time we let go of the throttle, the brakes, I think, are locking up because the whole thing just jerks me forward. I mean, it could be the belt, but I'm not for sure. Like, every time we let go, it's like, ugh. We also have an even worse issue. Our carburetor is just pushing all the gas out the bottom. It's not good, guys, because we just put a brand new carb. It should not be leaking gas. Ugh, somebody's gonna be like, you should have put OEM. Guys, it's not nothing to do with the OEM carb or not the OEM. I don't know, guys. Some carbs are finicky. I got this carb before for another Polaris. It wasn't fine, but this time, not so fine. Anyway, so let's play in the mud. I mean, what else can we do? I mean, it's gonna happen, so we might as well play in the mud. If we kill it, we kill it. I mean, whatever, it's free. I mean, honestly, guys, I do not like that the, four drive walks. I really don't like that the thing is just pouring out gas right now. I don't like it. Now, let's start a little simple, because I don't understand why it's so deep. We ain't had rain in weeks. Whoa, here we go. Is it gonna be good? Normally I would go ahead and lift that up and get it out the way so it doesn't get full of gas. But yeah, I don't know what to do with that. Normally I plug it, but because it's leaking gas, I can't plug it. You can't plug something that's literally pushing, maybe it's pushing enough gas out it won't hurt it. Yeah, baby. Woo! Okay, so it wasn't that deep. We barely went up to the floorboard, so we should be good. Ah! I remember this having a really big rut. Come on. Woo! What? Hot engine. Hot? How can it be hot? Check engine. You were just walking. Oh. Did something get wet that wasn't supposed to? I'm assuming. This thing is already, this is why we don't buy Polaris, people. We don't buy Polaris because they wheeled. I keep saying that, but come on. Every time I get a Polaris of some kind, they just act funny. I'm so ready to sell this one and get something different. That was cold. We're still leaking gas. Good. As long as we're leaking gas, the water can't go in there. Whoa, woo! I mean, I don't know if I can say these are good tiles or bad tiles, but they are doing their job.
You serious?
What the hell? We just lost power to everything. What is going on here? Okay, guys, I guess that's all we got. The Polaris decided it's not gonna work no more. So, I did debate on maybe keeping this a little while, snorkeling it, you know, having some fun with it, but yeah, we're just gonna fix it and sell it. The free four-wheeler is not doing so good. And maybe, again, like I tell people, and I've always said it, yes, maybe if I could get one that isn't ragged out, it would be better. But I thought I went through this one. I mean, it was pretty good, but I guess it's not as good as I thought. So, like always, the Polaris has let me down. I'm telling y'all, the Polaris has always let me down. On a different note, somebody wants to come get the Grizzly right now. And I keep debating on giving it, not giving it, selling it. But if I sell it, I have nothing else because the Grizzly's the only thing we have left. We also went ahead and bought a new smoke detector, guys. We finally bought a smoke machine. Or not smoke detector, smoke machine. So now we can actually check the snorkels and fix it. Ah, mosquito! And yeah, I'm so excited. This Grizzly is gonna get snorkeled right this time, people. And then we might take it super deep. I'm trying to see if I can find somebody who can build me some arch A-arms for it. So we might keep it for a little while. Because like I said, we don't have anything but this. And I'm about to get rid of this. I'm already mad at this thing today. So let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? So we are keeping the mud bitches. I do think the tiles are doing pretty good. I can't argue that. I'll cut it off. I can't argue the tiles. These things are doing pretty good. But just like a Mudzilla, they're not the best tile. I'm not gonna say good. I mean, I don't think they're cheap either, if I remember correctly. But so far, we ain't stuck and we didn't really barely spin, so I can't argue with them. Y'all seen this hole a million times. You've seen how it will actually stick some vehicles, mainly from ground clearance, but it is a little bit of clay, kind of dirty stuff. So let's be honest, I think they're gonna do good. We got some spacers to throw them on a Grizzly or whatever we wanna put them on, at least Honda-wise, because we got adapters for Polaris to Honda, Honda to Polaris. Sorry guys, I'm all out of shape. But with those adapters, we should be able to actually put these tires on anything and really try them. This is the worst driving four-wheeler I've ever seen. I don't know if it's the tires or what, but it is not handling well. I wonder if the belt's messed up and that's what's wrong. I think the brakes are locking up and I think the belt's messed up. Just look at this. Here, I'll show y'all. Okay, we're in high. It should, now, okay, see, we're already holding throttle. It should start moving. See, it's like it's dragging. See that? Okay.
Well, we're waiting.
You know what? It might also need a belt because that's all we had. That was everything, guys. Hey, look at this. Woo! We got some water in here. Why is there so much water? It's funny how this back in the day, this hole was amazing. Woo! And low's gone again. I mean, like I said, they're not bad tiles. Not the best tiles, but definitely not the worst I've ever had. I'd love to try these on a vehicle that I know works. This vehicle is just, we just don't have any power. The belt, I think the belt's messed up, and now we have locked up brakes. Because again, 1, 2, 3. You hear all the tiles are going, they're all locking up. And of course, that could be the clutch. I mean, the clutch could also be doing that. We've had fun for 5 seconds with the Polaris. We are gonna clean it up, take the tiles off, and sell it. It's official. This thing's a piece of toy. Okay guys, the 500 has proved yet again that Polaris are toys. Yes, it's free, and I thought about like, hey, what can we do with a free Fourwheeler, like destroy it wise, but I don't even know if we can do that, guys. The thing's barely running. Brand new car. Maybe the belt's messed up. Like, it was doing it beforehand, so the belt might be messed up. We might put the bushings in. We'll go ahead and maybe put a belt on. I'll look and see what a belt costs. Maybe we can get a belt cheap enough, and it'd be, I mean, I don't have no money in it. I mean, I think right now we have less than $100, so I think we get a belt, go ahead and get that float from sticking and just sell it. We're gonna keep the mud bitches though, guys. They are gonna go into Yamaha or something else. We don't know yet. Also, guys, if you've been around here, you've seen that we put up a vote. Build the 6x6 next year or get a Can-Am. And the Honda was beating it out for like most of the time. The 6x6 was winning. Then all of a sudden at the end, the Can-Am came out of nowhere. Now the Can-Am's ahead. So I can't keep up with which one's winning. They keep going like this, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we'll see in a couple days. I'm really thinking that the Can-Am's gonna win. And we're gonna go ahead and get us a Can-Am next year. This is for 2026, guys, because let's just be honest, it's a lot of things going on. We got to build us a shop. This whole place is going to be a shop in a couple months. That's the plan. That's why we keep buying and selling these, because we're trying to build us a nice shop so we can actually work on stuff on our own time. And that's why I'm debating on keeping the Yamaha, because we don't have another Fourwheeler. That's it. The Yamaha and that. The 6x6 is down, remember? We haven't bought the gearbox yet. If you've seen it, I put the gearbox up. We found it. I'm going to go ahead and order it, but we ain't going to have time for a while. And for anybody who has made it to the end of the video, we got a little sneak peek for everybody wonder what we were supposed to do this week, but we didn't have the adapters for it, so we can't really do them, but I'm gonna show y'all what we got. Bam! Tracks. You heard that right, guys. We got a set of tracks, and they are gonna go on something. I'm thinking that the Wolverine are gonna get them, but I haven't got that far. It's either the Wolverine or another Fourwheeler, but I really think the Wolverine is the only Fourwheeler we got right now. So, I mean, other than the Fourwheeler, but it's the only side-by-side that's gonna work. I don't think the Grizzly quite has enough power to push him. Hi, Jonna. Anyways, guys, if you wouldn't mind, hit like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.